From terrifying squids to entire underwater cities, here are 5 creepy facts about the ocean that you didn't know you needed. Number 5. More than 80% of the ocean is unexplored. Less than 5% of the ocean has been explored by humans. The ocean makes up more than 70% of our planet's surface, yet we know more about the surface of Mars than we do about our own ocean. There are so many mysteries hiding beneath the waves. From shipwrecks and sunken cities to undiscovered species and maybe even lost civilizations, there's a lot that we don't know about the ocean. How many crazy things do you think we'll find when we explore more of it? Let us know your thoughts down below. Number 4. There are entire underwater lakes and rivers. Just like on land, water on the ocean floor moves. In fact, there are underwater currents all over the ocean, and some of them are fast. The Gulf Stream, for example, can travel at speeds of up to 93 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars drive. And it travels from Florida to Iceland, making the entire trip in just 3 days. This means that if you were to sail on the Gulf Stream from Florida, you could basically get a free ride to Iceland. But beware, because the water temperature in the Gulf Stream is around 77 degrees Fahrenheit. But the air temperature in Iceland is only around 40 degrees Fahrenheit, so you might need a very warm coat. Also, although they look calm and peaceful, scientists warn that these underwater rivers can actually be extremely dangerous. They often contain whirlpools and can drag ships down to the bottom of the ocean with ease. Talk about a wild ride. Number 3. Giant squids lurk in the deep and can reach 40 feet long. The ocean is full of creepy creatures, but few are as scary as the giant squid. These massive mollusks can grow to be over 40 feet long, which is longer than a school bus. And they live in the darkest depths of the ocean where no sunlight can reach. For a long time, giant squid were just a legend. Sailors would tell stories of being attacked by huge squid while at sea, but nobody believed them. It wasn't until 1857 that a giant squid was actually captured and brought to the surface. Since then, we've learned that these creatures are real, but we still know very little about them. We don't even know how long they can live. One thing we do know is that they are predators. Giant squid eat other fish and even other squid. They use their sharp beaks to tear their prey apart, and their powerful tentacles to wrap up their victims and drown them. If a giant squid wanted to, it could easily eat a human. But thankfully, they don't seem to be interested in us as prey. Number 2. The Mariana Trench is nearly 7 miles deep. The deepest part of the ocean is called the Mariana Trench. It's located in the western Pacific Ocean north of Australia, and it's nearly 7 miles deep. That's deeper than the height of Mount Everest. To make this even more mind-boggling, the Mariana Trench is over 2 miles deeper than the deepest part of the Earth's surface. It was discovered in 1951 by an American ship called the USS Santee. The ship's sonar picked up a deep trench in the ocean floor. At first, scientists thought that it was a mistake. They couldn't believe that there could be such a deep hole in the ocean floor. But further exploration revealed that it was real. The Mariana Trench is now known to be the deepest part of the ocean. It's home to a variety of creepy creatures, including the giant squid. Scientists are still exploring the Mariana Trench, and they're always finding new and amazing things. In 2019, they discovered a new species of shrimp-like creature that lives near the bottom of the trench. This was exciting news because it showed that life can thrive in some of the most extreme environments on Earth. But despite all the amazing discoveries that have been made, there's still so much more to learn about the Mariana Trench. It really is one of the greatest mysteries of our oceans. Number 1. Some deep-sea fish have see-through heads. We've said it before and we'll say it again, the ocean is full of creepy creatures. Take the deep-sea fish, for example. These strange fish live in the darkest depths of the ocean where no sunlight can reach. Their eyes have evolved to be huge and transparent so that they can see as much of their surroundings as possible. This adaptation allows them to detect predators and prey, as well as navigate their environment. But it also gives them a really creepy appearance. Imagine seeing a fish with a head like a balloon. That's what it's like to see a deep-sea fish for the first time. But it's not just their heads that are creepy. Their bodies are often translucent, which means that you can see right through them. This is another adaptation that helps them hide from predators. By being able to blend in with their surroundings, they are less likely to be eaten. It's a pretty effective strategy, but it just adds to their creepiness. We hope you enjoyed learning about some of the creepy things in our oceans. From terrifying squids to see-through headed fish, there's no shortage of scary stuff lurking beneath the waves. But it's also amazing to think about how much we still don't know about the ocean. There are still so many mysteries to be solved, and who knows what other creepy creatures we might find living in the deep sea. What did you think? Which fact was the most interesting to you? And do you know any others that we missed? Leave a comment down below. And while you're there, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss another video from FactPop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.